Okay, quick review of the Samsung Z Flip 3. I've had this phone just about a year and a half. They won't warranty it, they won't do anything. Stupid thing won't fold out. It messes with my screen while I'm watching videos, all that fun stuff. The other day I got black down here along the bottom, and this line showed up across my screen. And then I went to trade it in today because the screen was acting up and the middle went dead here. It went all black, and then nothing will pull down from up here. None of the touch in the upper half of the screen works. So I just took it in. They got a deal through Verizon. I had to pay this off, which cost me a good bit. I still owed quite a bit on it. And I had to trade up. I got a S23 Ultra now. But yeah, this thing is pretty much just a paperweight now. I just got to get some pictures and stuff off of it. Swapped over my new phone. Like I say, when I called Samsung, they were like, oh, it's been like a month too long for it to be under factory warranty, so we can't do anything. We'll just give you some trade-in value on it. Like I say, up until when the screen just started completely failing, everything was good with it. I kind of liked it, other than pretty quickly the hinges went, and from what I've heard, that's like a $400 repair to have it fixed to where it'll go straight again. So just want to let you guys know, I definitely won't be trying another flip for at least a long time till the technology gets a whole lot better. So thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.